Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SuSh. It's time to learn. I am Surya and today I am going to show you a do-it-yourself activity called slime.
Shall we get started? You need 250 ml of clear glue, 1/4 cup of warm water and half a teaspoon of baking soda, food colors of your choice, 1 tablespoon of eye contact solution which should contain boric acid. Let's get started. First, in a bowl, pour the glue. Then, take the 1/4 cup of warm water and add half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix. Now, mix this to the glue in the bowl and mix it well. Add the food coloring and mix well. This is my favorite part. Add the glitter. Wow, look at that amazing mixture. Then comes the eye contact solution. Add 1 tablespoon of eye contact solution to the slime. Slowly, the mixture will separate from the bowl. It takes some time. Do it patiently. Once it separates, put a few drops of the solution in your hand before playing so that it doesn't stick to your hand. Now play with it and have fun. You can stretch it and make bubbles, etc. Store it in an airtight container immediately after you finish playing. Otherwise, they will get dry.
It's an easy method, but remember you should do it with your parents. So that's it for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again.